If you use TradingView, you've seen dozens of moving averages. SMIMR, WIMR, HELMR, RIBN. It gets confusing fast. But today, I'll show you the best moving average indicator that actually works. Not just in theory, but in real trading. And the best part, it's free, and it's on trade. So, which one is it? It's called the EMA with RSI filter by L. You can search for it directly in TradingView's Indicators tab. Why is it so powerful? Because it combines multiple EMAs into one clean visual ribbon and adds an RSI trend filter to reduce false signals. This means you can easily see trend strength. It shows pullback zones inside the ribbon, and it helps you avoid entering when momentum is fading. How to use it? Add the indicator to your chart. Use the color shifts in the ribbon to spot trend changes. Enter trades on bounces off the ribbon in the direction of the trend. Exit or avoid when RSI flips against the ribbon color. Perfect for scalping, day trading, swing trading, whether you trade crypto, forex, stocks. This tool gives you clarity fast. Bonus tip: use the ribbon and confluence with support, resistance, or market structure for deadly accurate entries. Don't trade on just one signal. Let the structure plus ribbon guide your entry, and you'll level up your precision instantly. Here's a quick breakdown. First, find the indicator in TradingView. Search EMA ribbon with RSI filter by L. Click to add it to your chart. Now, adjust the settings slightly to match the style used here. Go to the top left. Click on Settings. First, uncheck Show SMA. Next, change the length from 20 to 10. This makes the ribbon more reactive to recent price action. Then, set all three RSI lengths to 14. Finally, increase the RSI threshold to 80. This ensures the filter only activates when RSI is in extreme oversold or overbought territory. Click OK to save these changes. Now let's look at a few examples. In this first chart, you can see the power of the EMA ribbon. During strong trends, it acts as a dynamic support and resistance. The ribbon has shifted upwards, indicating a change in trend direction. Wait for a pullback to the ribbon before entering a trade. Enter on the bounce. The momentum is high, as shown by the thin ribbon. A quick trailing stop above the ribbon could work well here. Once the ribbon starts to flatten, momentum is fading. Avoid or exit trades as the ribbon loses its power. In this next example, we have a beautiful entry trigger. Price is at a key support level. The ribbon has shifted downwards during a downtrend, indicating a potential change in momentum. Wait for a bounce off the ribbon and enter when price returns to the support. The combination of a fresh ribbon shift, a pullback to structure, and a bounce off the ribbon makes this an almost perfect entry. Finally, in this long example, you can see how the RSI filter reduces false signals. The ribbon is shifting downwards in a clear down. However, the RSI is in oversold territory, triggering the filter. This tells us that even though the ribbon is shifting downwards, the current selling pressure might not be enough to break the support. The next few candles confirm this. Price ends up bouncing right off the support. Had you entered on the previous downtrend in the ribbon, it would have been a losing trade. So, entering on this one, bounce alone would have lost you money. But by waiting for the RSI to flip, you would have avoided that false signal. Don't rely on just one signal. Use the ribbon as a guide. For extra precision, combine it with other analysis tools like support and resistance levels or market structure. That way you won't be fooled by random price movements. If this helped you, hit like and share your favorite TradingView indicator in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. I only show tools that I personally use and have tested to make sure they work.